Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you guys how I organize my jewelry / accessories. Of quarantining, I've decided to rearrange just about everything in my room. So today I'm going to show you guys how I organize my jewelry in this new amazing jewelry organizer that I purchased from Amazon. And I'm also going to be featuring my very first sponsor, the Ana Luisa Jewelry Company. The reason I'm so excited to work with Ana Luisa is because they are a sustainable jewelry company. So while I've never fully educated myself on the environmental toll that traditional jewelry production takes on the earth, Ana Luisa highlights the fact that different processes such as gold mining essentially ravages landscapes in which the gold is taken from and creates unsafe working conditions for people who are actually mining the gold. In order to mitigate the negative impacts that traditional jewelry production has on the earth, Ana Luisa uses the following materials to craft their absolutely stunning pieces. All gold jewelry made by Ana Luisa uses 100% recycled gold because, as they state, there is enough gold in the world without mining anymore. Their sterling silver is composed of 92.5% pure silver and is plated with rhodium to ensure that all their sterling silver pieces are as robust as possible and to optimize the longevity of each piece. All diamonds used in the Ana Luisa jewelry collection are sustainably grown as opposed to being traditionally mined, and they are traceable, clean, and offer an identical chemical composition, hardness, brilliance, or shine, and longevity as mined diamonds would, but without the negative environmental impacts or unsafe working conditions for the diamond miners themselves. This is done without sacrificing the quality of each jewelry piece and without placing our planet and people in a compromising position. So I just took a bunch of notes for all of that information because I wanted to make sure I got it right. However, I'm super interested in everything that Ana Luisa does. I love their approach so much, and I'm so excited to show you guys all the pieces. Additionally, they also have a Mother's Day sale, so be sure to check out the link in my description box to find out more about the sale. I know I'll be getting my mom a couple of things from Ana Luisa, as she absolutely loved the pieces that I received for this video. Alright guys, this is what the outside of the mirror looks like. I love that it's a full-length mirror. I've honestly never had like an official full-length mirror, but as we open the mirror up, we see that there's actually quite a lot of storage in here, which I absolutely love. But let's go through the actual jewelry itself. Obviously, I'm going to be focusing on each of the pieces from Ana Luisa, especially because the jewelry that I have from Ana Luisa is definitely some of the nicer jewelry that I have in my collection, as I have never been like a huge jewelry collector. So to start, we have probably my favorite piece from them. These earrings are absolutely beautiful. It's just a gold plate up top and then a beautiful pattern on the bottom. This reminds me of the pictures I've seen from Greece or Italy. Such a beautiful pattern and color scheme. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to be wearing this over the summer and in the springtime. This ring is one of my favorite rings ever. It is from Ana Luisa, and it is just a simple but really cute ring. I love the white because I tend to wear white nail polish a ton, so having this is perfect because I feel like it adds a lot of coordination to the jewelry on my hands, I guess, and just my nail polish, and it just makes it pop a little bit more. And so below these two pieces, I have a pair of earrings. This is one of the earrings, and this is just a really cute pair of earrings when you want to go for something super simple but don't really want to wear studs. So I love these earrings. I got them from H&M, I believe. Then over here I have a couple of the rings that I got in a set from H&M as well. Up until about a year ago, I actually got most of my jewelry from H&M. However, since it is less expensive, you're also kind of getting what you pay for. So most of the jewelry that I purchased from H&M has not really lasted me a very long time. However, these are some of the survivors. So these rings I love so much. Again, because they are simple enough to the point where you can wear them almost every day, or every day if you please. And then over here we have 3 more sets of earrings. These earrings up top over here I actually got from Francesca's. I really like the jewelry from Francesca's. It's not too expensive, but it also looks like higher quality jewelry. So these are great, and they've lasted me, I mean, only a couple months at this point, but they still are really good quality, and I like what I got for the price. And I love that they're like beige hoops, but they also have sort of a marble design because they still pop whenever you wear them with the more simple outfit. And over here I have a couple of mini hoop earrings that I got from H&M this past year. This design is super cute. I love wearing this when I'm wearing like an all black outfit. The only thing is, again, as I mentioned before with H&M jewelry, since it is a lower cost, the quality definitely isn't isn't super high either, so I can't really wear these all the time, otherwise it will kind of hurt my ears. So this is something that I like to wear once in a while. And then down here I have another set of earrings just like the one before. This color is so beautiful, and I also got this pair of earrings from H&M. Again, as I mentioned before, same situation where the price wasn't super high, but the quality also isn't super high. So while they've lasted a very long time thus far, they kind of hurt my ears. I'm not really sure why that is, and I'm not sure if it's just because like I have a bad reaction to whatever materials they use, or if it's because of like a quality thing, period. So moving down to the lower part of the dresser, here we have 3 bracelets and 2 necklaces. I'll start with the 2 necklaces. These were both gifted from Ana Luisa, and they are, oh, this one's backwards, but these are absolutely beautiful necklaces, and I know I'm gonna wear them all the time. This is the Good Luck necklace, I believe, and I love this so much. This is the perfect, simple gold piece of jewelry that I've been needing in my life, and it goes super well with all the rings and earrings and the bracelets that I have, so I can't wait to wear this almost every single day at work. And then next to it, this silver necklace right here. This is a birthstone necklace, so it has a pearl in the middle, and it also has a silver exterior with a beautiful design on the rim. I love this design so much, and since I don't really have too much silver, this is a perfect silver / minimal gold necklace that I can't wait to wear as well. And the back of it actually has the number 6 for my birth month, which is June. I love the design. I think this is such a creative piece, and they have one for every month as well, so definitely check it out because all the birthstones are so pretty. And then here we have 3 different bracelets. This bracelet I got with the necklace that's actually below on the other side of the dresser, and I actually got this from my boyfriend on Christmas as a Christmas gift. It's such a beautiful bracelet and such a simple bracelet as well, so this is a bracelet that I wear almost every day when I'm at work or if I'm just going out. Since I have so much gold jewelry, this works perfectly with almost every piece that I wear, so I love this so much. He did such a great job with the gifts this year. Okay, so next we have this bracelet. This bracelet I got so many years ago, and I got it at this random super cute place in Florida, I believe. I was on vacation with my family, and they had this in one of their like new age stores. It was such a pretty piece of jewelry, and again, just a very beautiful yet simple design. I like to wear this bracelet whenever I'm wearing something more silver based or like more silver based jewelry, because I think that it works super well, but it also adds a little bit of color to whatever I'm wearing, so this is a great piece. So next up we have this bracelet. This bracelet, I can't remember where it's from specifically. It's either from H&M, Charlotte Russe, or Charming Charlie. I can't remember which one specifically or when I got it. All I know is that I wear it almost every single day with the gold bracelet that I just showed you guys over here, because I wear so much black and I also wear so much gold jewelry that it just works so perfectly with almost everything that I own. So this is definitely a keeper, and I love the fact that it was really cost efficient, but none of the rhinestones have actually fallen out yet, which I feel like is hard to find in a lot of jewelry that isn't at a super high price point. I'll continue with the jewelry actually, and then we'll go into the rest of the accessories. Here we have a set of rings. So this is the larger ring in the 9-piece ring collection that I got from Lulu's. It's a super cute ring collection, and I'm not going to show you all the rings because I feel like that'd be redundant, but I love little sets like this because you can wear a bunch of the rings either on their own or in the set as intended. So I feel like you get a really decent amount for your money, especially when using a place like Lulu's, because they don't really price their jewelry super high either. Here is another piece that I got from Lulu's. This is a 3-piece necklace set, I guess, or I mean it's one necklace, but it has like 3 different necklaces in it, you know. I love this necklace, I love this style, and I've been meaning to get something like this forever now, but I'm so glad that I finally invested in one from Lulu's because this is perfect for what I was looking for. Lastly, for the necklaces, we have this one that I got from my boyfriend in the set with the gold bracelet. This necklace is super versatile, and you can actually wear it as either like a choker, or you could wear it with just the gold part in front showing. So I think this is the most beautiful necklace. It's super practical and it's very versatile and multi-purpose, and like I said before, he did a fantastic job this year. And last up for jewelry, this section I'm not really utilizing yet because I don't have too much jewelry that needs to go in this area, but here I just have a small pair of hoops, which again, they're really cute and they're just perfect for like the purposes of if you just want to have a more simplistic style of jewelry that day. And then here I have these larger set of hoops, which I got from Francesca's with the earrings that are right there that I showed you guys before. So these earrings are perfect for this area because they are able to open and close, and they're large enough to the point where they can fit in this area perfectly. So now moving on to the accessories. I know this is like a jewelry collection slash accessories video, but I still really like the fact that I can store perfume and organize it here. I feel like perfume and items like sunglasses or just loose charms are always just on my dresser and I have no idea how to organize them. This is a sample that I got from Sephora when I purchased some of their makeup. I believe this was available through a code. And then this is the Opium Black perfume from YSL. This smells so great, and I got this little mini version in a set with the original Opium perfume. I think this is the original Opium perfume, guys. I actually have no idea because I haven't really used this one that much and it doesn't say what it is. But if you all know what this is, feel free to correct me. And then here I have two of my favorite perfumes ever. This is the Tease Glam version from Victoria's Secret, and this is the original Tease perfume from Victoria's Secret. I love perfume from Victoria's Secret. I think it smells amazing. These two were actually going for a really decent price over like Black Friday, so I got them for like $25 I think, and they're lasting so long and they smell so good, so highly recommend both of these. They're the best. And then over here we have this perfume from this brand called Dossier. I think that's how you pronounce it. It looks like Glossier with a D, so I'm just gonna go with Dossier. So what this company does is that it specializes in pretty much like duping high-end perfumes, but without duping like the packaging and stuff. So their model is to find a high-end perfume and recreate the formula to the point where it's very similar, but sell it at a much lower price because they're not doing the same thing with like branding and the marketing and stuff. So I thought it was a cool model and I went to get it. This one is supposed to be similar to the Levier Espelle, I believe the name is, by Lancome, and that is one of my favorite perfumes ever, but it's so expensive. So I ended up purchasing this one when I saw it was available, and it does smell very similar to the original version, but it doesn't really last as long. So that's the reason why I used only about half of it and then moved on to the Tease perfume from Victoria's Secret because I just need my perfume to last a while and I felt like this one didn't really do it. Moving on, here's some sunglasses that I got from Marshalls. It's Oscar de la Renta, I believe. Perfect basic black pair of sunglasses and at a great price because it's from Marshalls, which is my favorite place ever. Here I have a couple of charms from my necklaces that don't have chains, but a chain is definitely something I need to invest in, and I figured this would be a good spot to put like a couple of my charms that don't have chains on them just to keep track. That is my jewelry collection, guys. So I'll just close out this video here, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked all the jewelry that I showed you and loved the pieces from Ana Luisa. I know I love them. All of them are like my new favorite pieces of jewelry, not even kidding. I'm so excited to continue wearing them, and make sure to check out their Mother's Day sale as well as just their company and brand and their whole approach to jewelry production via the link in the description box. Thank you guys again so much for all your support. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos in the near future, and I'll see you guys in the next video.